Astrophotography tips, capturing stunning night sky images. Hey there, fellow stargazers and photography enthusiasts. Welcome back to the place where we explore the wonders of the cosmos through our lenses. I'm your host, and today we have an exciting topic to delve into: astrophotography tips, capturing stunning night sky images. Whether you're a seasoned astrophotographer or just starting on this captivating journey, this video is packed with valuable insights to help you capture breathtaking night sky images. So grab your cameras and tripods, and let's embark on this celestial adventure together. Gear essentials. Before we jump into the field, let's talk about the gear essentials you'll need for astrophotography. Camera. A DSLR or mirrorless camera with manual settings is ideal. Look for one with good low-light performance. Lenses. Fast prime lenses with wide apertures are excellent for collecting more light. Tripod. A sturdy tripod is essential for long exposures. Remote shutter release. This reduces camera shake during exposure. Dark skies. Find a location away from light pollution for clear, vivid images. Camera settings. Now that you have your gear, let's dive into camera settings. Manual mode. Switch to manual mode to control exposure settings. ISO. Start with a low ISO and adjust as needed to reduce noise. Aperture. Open your lens wide to gather more light. Shutter speed. Use long exposures to capture starlight. Focus. Set your lens to manual focus and use live view to focus on a bright star. Composition. Composition plays a crucial role in astrophotography. Foreground elements. Include interesting foreground elements like trees, mountains, or landmarks for added depth. Rule of thirds. Apply this rule to position your celestial subjects in a visually pleasing way. Star trails. Experiment with longer exposures to create stunning star trail images. Image stacking. Image stacking can significantly improve your night sky photos. Capture multiple frames. Take multiple shots of the same scene. Software. Use specialized software like Deep Sky Stacker or Photoshop for stacking. Reducing noise. Stacking reduces noise and enhances details. Post-processing. Now, let's discuss post-processing. Software. Use software like Adobe Lightroom or Photoshop for editing. Adjust exposure. Fine-tune exposure, contrast, and brightness. Reduce noise. Apply noise reduction techniques for cleaner images. Color correction. Enhance the colors of celestial objects like nebulae and galaxies. Time-lapse and star trails. Astrophotography isn't just about single shots. You can create mesmerizing time-lapse sequences and star trail photos. Time-lapse. Set your camera to take a series of images at regular intervals to capture celestial motion. Star trails. Use a longer exposure to capture the apparent motion of stars across the sky. Conclusion. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide on astrophotography tips, capturing stunning night sky images. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if your first attempts don't turn out as expected. Keep experimenting, learning, and enjoying the wonders of the night sky. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our astrophotography adventures. Feel free to share your own tips and experiences in the comments below. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and keep capturing the beauty of the cosmos through your lens. Happy stargazing, everyone!